Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tangem wallet with Robinhood. It's important to understand that Tangem and Robinhood don't directly integrate. Instead, you'll be transferring your crypto assets between these two platforms. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps for a secure and efficient transfer process, ensuring your digital assets move smoothly from one platform to the other. We'll cover everything you need to know to manage your crypto effectively. Before initiating any transfer, ensure your Robinhood account is fully verified and enabled for cryptocurrency withdrawals. Next, identify the specific crypto you intend to move, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then, open your Tangem app and navigate to the desired cryptocurrency to find its unique receiving address. This address is crucial for ensuring your funds arrive safely in your Tangem wallet. Once you have your Tangem receiving address, go to your Robinhood account and select the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Choose the withdrawal option and paste the Tangem address into the designated field. It's vital to double-check every character of the address. Confirm the amount and review all transaction details one final time before authorizing the transfer to prevent any errors. After sending, monitor the transaction status in both your Robinhood and Tangem apps. Transaction times can vary, often taking a few minutes to several hours depending on the network. Once confirmed, your cryptocurrency will appear in your Tangem wallet, secured by your hardware device. Always remember to double-check addresses for every transfer to ensure your assets are safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.